One way to search in Academic Search Complete is to use the Advanced Search tool. After we have identified keywords that relate to our topic, we may use the Advanced Search feature in Academic Search Complete to find the most relevant results. If you need instruction on how to conduct a simple search for Academic Search Complete, please watch Academic Search Complete tutorial. To use the Advanced Search tool, click on Advanced Search to open it. Once open, we will type in our selected keywords into the search toolbars. For example, if our research paper topic is about how prison affects families, we might search for prison and family and click search. As always, we want to use the Refine Results feature and limit to full text, and perhaps change the publication date range and source type. If the results aren't initially relevant to your topic, it's okay to start over. Part of the research process is adjusting our keywords to find the right combination to find the best results. If our results are too narrow, we can use OR to expand our search. We can change the AND between the second and third toolbar to an OR to include children in our search. Quotes can also be useful to search for a specific phrase, such as effects on children. By adding quotations around these terms, the database will search for prison and family or effects on children. Once we find an article that is useful or interesting, we can click on the title to see more details. You will notice additional subject terms that may be helpful for your search. These subject terms are clickable and will launch a new search. If you don't want to start a new search by clicking on them, you may want to write them down as keywords for another advanced search. At the left, you can click on the HTML full text or sometimes a PDF full text to read it. You may also choose to email the link to yourself to save the article for later. For additional questions about searching Academic Search Complete using the Advanced Search feature, please use Ask a Librarian on the library homepage.